Welcome to another episode of Ask PlexusDx. Today, we're diving into a fascinating question. What role do my genes play in determining my body's ability to process sugar? So let's get right into it. The thing is, our bodies are like these incredibly complex machines, and sugar processing is just one of the many functions they perform. It turns out our genetic makeup plays a huge role in how effectively we break down carbohydrates, including sugars. Some of our genes are responsible for producing enzymes that help break down sugars, while others regulate insulin sensitivity and glucose levels. For instance, have you heard of the GLUT2 gene? Variations in this gene can really influence how glucose is transported into our cells, which directly impacts our energy production and overall health. Then there's the FTO gene, which is linked to obesity and body weight regulation. If you carry certain variants of this gene, you might find it harder to maintain a healthy weight and could experience stronger cravings for sugar. It's like a feedback loop that makes managing sugar consumption a real challenge. I've seen this firsthand with clients. One client of mine struggled with sugar cravings despite eating a healthy diet. After genetic testing, we discovered she had a variant in the FTO gene. Armed with this knowledge, we tailored her dietary and lifestyle choices to fit her genetic profile, and she saw significant improvements in her energy and overall health. Now, you might be wondering, how can you learn about your own genetic tendencies when it comes to sugar metabolism? One effective way is through genetic testing. A saliva-based genetic test can reveal important details about your genetic variants and how they impact your sugar processing capabilities. By examining specific genes, you can gain insights into your unique genetic makeup. This information can empower you to make better dietary and lifestyle choices. For example, if your genetic profile indicates a variant that affects insulin sensitivity, you might want to cut back on high-sugar foods and focus on a diet rich in whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. And here are some practical tips for managing your sugar intake. First, know your triggers. Pay attention to when and why you crave sugar. Is it emotional eating, boredom, or stress? Identifying these triggers can help you develop healthier coping strategies. Second, choose whole foods. Opt for unprocessed foods that naturally contain less sugar, like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Third, stay hydrated. Sometimes our bodies confuse thirst with hunger, so keeping hydrated can help minimize those sugar cravings. Fourth, practice mindful eating. Slow down and really savor your meals. This can help you enjoy your food more and reduce the chances of overindulging in sugary snacks. Lastly, consider consulting a professional. A healthcare provider or registered dietitian can help you understand your genetic information and create a personalized dietary plan that aligns with your genetic makeup. So to wrap things up, understanding how your genes affect sugar processing can really help you make better health decisions. If you're interested in exploring your genetic predispositions, check out the innovative precision health and wellness tests from PlexusDx. You can find them at PlexusDx.com, Amazon, and Walmart.com. And remember, links to PlexusDx tests are provided below in the show notes. If you found this episode insightful, please like and subscribe. The following is an important disclaimer. Always consult a licensed healthcare provider for concerns about your health and before you stop or start any medical treatment. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you next time on Ask PlexusDx.